Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
And now, your feature presentation.
So guys, welcome to Brian's Hair Salon, where we do beauty for every cutie. Yo, we just made that up with that. Yo, that would have sell off as a tagline. So here at Brian's Hair Salon, we give you the best after, of course, first having a test. And this is a test run, guys. Before I dabble into the girls here, it's good to get some practice, and I hope wife will allow me after this excellent performance that I'm gonna put out, allow me to do their hair more often. So guys, this is gonna be awesome. Or not.
Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Stuff from the Cups, where we give you fire, we give you fun, we give you inspiration, we're real and we're educational.
And this is going to be really fun or really embarrassing.
Okay, we'll see which one it is. So Brian will be tasked today with what happened? With doing my hair, and I'm going to give him the style. It's an easy style. Well, in my estimation, it's an easy style. So I have equipped him with all the things that he'll need to do this. So I have equipped him with all the things that he will need to take on this production. I have a brush. I have combs of 4 different sizes, so he can decide. I have one of these edge thing, comb and brush and something. Yeah, I don't know what it's called.
So if you don't know what it is, what you're doing it.
It's the little something that you use to do your edges. That's something. I have some hairpins, and I have gel. And he brought the hair oil, and another brush is there. So he doesn't know what he's doing yet, and I'm going to show it to him right now. Simple hairstyle.
Simple to you. No.
What? It's easy, babe.
No.
Babe.
My hairstyle.
Which hairstyle you gonna do?
You're gonna do my hairstyle. I know if you catch up that.
So that's why you're gonna try?
No.
You're going to just catch it up in one.
No.
Babe, you're going to catch it up in one.
No.
You're going to catch it up in one in the top, and then you're going to lay my edges. It's the new trend. So you're going to lay my edges, catch my hair up in the top in a bun, and lay my edges after. Okay, so put it right here so you can refer to it, okay? And before we start, Brian, my hair loves good treatment. So before you start, you have to massage my scalp, and then you get into it. It, allows my follicles to, I don't know, but yeah, it just makes me feel good. So can you massage my hair before we start? My hair participates better when I get a head massage first. Babe. Come now. You have to, yes. So in order for my hair to be cooperative, it needs a head massage. Come now. Yeah, my ears. No, not like that. Not like that. Babe, you said this is whatever beauty for a cutie. Baby, I have to do it with love.
Some light. Stuff Start from the cuffs. 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 Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Start from the cuffs. Start from the cuffs.
This is not a challenge because she don't play a role here. The challenge is not supposed to be between the two of us.
The challenge for you.
So guys, here is where I'm adding a twist to it. So she has to keep her eyes closed
The
until
entire
I'm
time?
finished.
Okay.
So she can't look on it.
Alright.
Can I stop now?
Yes. Good to go.
Alright.
So close my eyes.
Yeah. Alright guys. So I don't really know which one to for you, so I'm going to just use the one I feel like you know and say yes the most to. This.
Is Brie and Bella brush you take up? Just a tip, babe.
Alright, no one tip. My salon are yours. Me? What is your tip?
Not to give in yours. Okay.
No, what is your tip?
It's
What is
okay.
your tip? What is your tip?
It's okay.
What is your tip?
The red and black brush not gonna do me here none. You have to use the other one.
Guys, you know what I say? So remember when I was younger, the first time my auntie asked me to comb out her ear. I don't even know what that means still, you know. I know so when I comb out my ear, I just go so. So she sit down and I go so. One pull, one ball out. That was it. So here is how it goes. For us as men with long hair, you just make a one comb and one brush,
Babe,
right?
it's the smallest comb you're using?
You just make a one brush or a one comb.
Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In the world so dark, they bring us some light. Stuff from the cuffs. 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 Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs.
You want challenge?
Babe, look.
You want challenge?
Babe, look.
You don't reach on that side yet. I straight back me and comb me here.
So I don't know why you're having so much difficulty. Baby, I can't brush it harder. Guys, he's never done this before. So you all are going to rate him out of 10 on the end product, okay? Yeah, babe. Ketchup. Yeah, babe. Yeah, ketchup. Yes, babe. What's your salon name again?
Brian Salon.
Brian Salon.
Beauty for a cutie.
Beauty for a cutie. Yeah, cutie. For best results, use both scrunchies in here.
How many are you here, are you?
Okay.
I've been doing this for years. Is
Apparently. Which is why it's taking years is to get it up.
I scrunch them there.
Use both of them.
Same time?
So come here, so now if you use one, it might still be slack.
So guys, I should take you through, right?
Yes.
Alright, so after
It's
brushing,
your tutorial.
after oiling the scalp,
You never oil the scalp.
after brushing up the scalp, after massaging the scalp, here we go. After massaging the scalp,
Massaging.
you brush it up and you brush it back to ensure that the furry ones at the top are in alignment and in agreement
The furry one.
with the body. Then you get the two scrunchie them, put them over your left hand. Cause you're right. If you're right-handed, you put them over your left hand. If you're left-handed, you put them over your right hand. Because you want to keep the pressure on the hair. You want to keep it tight because you need it to be looking sleek when you're finished. Alright? So then you apply pressure with both hands and use your right hand, bring over the scrunchie number one. Right?
Both of them.
And you pull it down to where your hand is, right? And you draw through the full body, alright? So then now you apply pressure same way. You have to keep applying the pressure, you know. And then you turn the scrunchie, right? So that it double it up. When you double it up, you draw through again.
How?
Hush. And after
You
you
apply
draw
enough
through
pressure,
again,
man.
you double up again and you draw through again. And you ensure you have enough. Alright, so there is the first process, which is catching it up in one. Or catching up her hair in one, alright? So you see, this is sufficient enough to take her out on the road, but we're going for a little extra. We're trying to glam her up a bit. You know, her face is a bit dulled up, so we're trying to glam up the hair to make sure it matches the face. Alright. So again, you just give it a couple brushes and you give it a couple hold back. You have to hold it back while you brush it back.
You give the couple all back?
To make sure, yeah, it is all together. Alright? And if you realize that there's a little looseness right here, you just give it a gentle tug. Yeah. And you have to remember that the root or the end or the back of the hair is also a part of it. You have to make sure it is also
Baby
brushed.
scrunchie fall out.
Right? So when you feel it to come out, you just give it a little tug.
Alright,
And-
here
and-
you do just to tighten it, babe. Part it in two and just do this. Part the hair in two. There you go.
Yo! Wanna see that? I like that time shoelace.
Yeah.
I never know that one, guys. See, you see, here at Brian's Hair Salon, we
Babe,
ensure
when
that
you
we
do
learn
that, you
each
slacken
day.
it back.
Alright? So we ensure we learn
There you
each
go.
day. Alright? I think the scrunchie are a bit worn.
No, they're not.
They've lost a little elasticity. So we have to double it up a little more.
Right.
But the hard part now is after doubling it up to get this bungle of hair through this small hole. And if it don't work, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine, alright? So guys, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get the curling pins, right? To try and catch it up. Because it's an up look she wants, right? Up. Right? This doesn't look like it was plaited before. It doesn't look like the hair was plait.
It's called
before.
a messy bun, kinda.
So,
It's not really messy. I didn't choose a messy one for you.
you know, I'm just going to give it a little gentle twist, you know, to make sure that the hair is at least together. So I'm going to get a little brush. Yeah.
Can't take time with me, sir.
And sorry. Soon done. You give it a little twirl and you hold and you twirl. 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 And if you have enough hair like that, you hold and you twirl a little bit more than you would normally. But if you don't have enough hair like that, you just leave it there. So, the only time I ever use curling pin, the only time I ever use curling pin is when I little to clean out my ears. So, This is definitely new to me.
Just take your time.
This is definitely new to me, alright? So the curling pin roll is basically to hold things together, alright? So you juke in one there, so. And you juke in one here, so. Juke in one here, so. She give me 5 curling pin there, so it better do the job.
You not actually use 2 when I'm doing a bun?
That is you. This is Brian's studio. We go the extra mile for our customers.
That's right.
Brian's hair salon.
That's
Alright. So
You don't put none over the next side, babe. On one side, you put it on.
it not stay up, guys. It not stay up.
You
Nah,
need to
follow
put it on
Jamaican
both
song. Up, stay up. No, it not follow. Alright, well on it there, little guys. There. You know, up, but it up enough. Right? And the curling pin then done. So we have to work with it. See? Now we need to do now behind the scene. I'm going to do now a shot from around there, so man. Alright. Alright, guys. So, for those of you who are born back in my time, edge control is simply just styling gel. And back in the high school days at St. Jago, I usually buy it in a bag. Yeah? Just buy a bag of gel. Plaster it in the ear. And so, I know, so when you finish this, I can look lean. Laid.
But you know you're not supposed to just lay the edges, right? Okay.
It is the most important part.
All my ears I get laid.
Alright. So to achieve the little style at the front, it look like petite.
I don't know what it is.
Alright, so get the edge comb and you make sure comb it up. Make sure the ear well laid. Yeah. Use the brush and you make sure you brush in the gel. Make sure you see the grey hair then. Yeah, guys, Bass has a grey hair.
Yeah.
She's getting old.
Next month is my birthday. Yeah.
I wonder where she can for her birthday, guys. Alright. So, guys, seeing that it's wet and all of that, you know, just how you do? How you doing?
You trying to lay my edges, huh?
Yeah. What do you want to hear? I'm over the edges as well. Alright, no way. So, what about the edge now you go? Yeah. You have to make sure. In order to lay the edges, you have to make sure there are edges. Yeah?
But now we can brush back everything.
Yeah. Me didn't know before it would I do it.
You never want no help, so.
Yeah, look at that, guys. All of these.
Babe, take 10 now.
Oh, sorry. All of these here so are going to be the edges. Alright? So we are recording, alright? Okay.
I like how you do my movies.
See that, guys? Vote of confidence. Bria said she like how me do. Mommy here.
Okay,
Right?
do arts and crafts. With some I got people.
Peyton.
Alright, guys. So I look like I have enough now, right? So I put liquid gel in my hand miggle. See if we can work it here now.
Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In the world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs.
Baby, ever top your face?
What are yourself? Are your face? Today is mine to do whatever I want.
You want a little advice?
Try me.
Alright, so you put the gel in your hand middle, use your finger and put it on it first and then you brush it.
Not that missing there.
Me feel it go so.
In the wrist, guys.
Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In the world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. 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 Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs.
Are you done? If it's not well defined, you can use a comb part of it. So define it. Babe, can I put no more gel on here? Are you done?
Yep.
Sorry.
Yeah, look. Come on there.
Why did I look at everyone, sir?
Guys, let me give you a close-up. Let me give you a close-up.
Well, babe,
So guys,
it wasn't bad.
So guys, that's it for another episode on Fun-Filled Fridays. Of course, if you like it, just tell me below out of 10 how much you'd rate it. Be completely honest. If you give me a 10, say 10. If you give me a 9, say 9. If you give me an 8, say 8. I'll work with it. But just be completely honest. I'm gonna give you some close-ups, some shots of it. And of course, thank you very much for being here. Like, share, subscribe. Tell somebody about Brian's Hair Salon, where we make beauties out of cuties. No, where we make... You never remember my tagline now, but yeah, you don't know. Thank you, guys.
Oh my
See you
goodness.
next time.
Guys, please remember to subscribe before you leave. If you're not yet a subscriber, we'll have another video for you soon. Today it was all about Brian's Hair Salon. Remember to rate him down below out of 10,
The
alright?
real rating will come if you go out on the road, guys.
Bye.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you. But you didn't do bad though, babe. Not bad. Not bad for the first time.
Ah.